used to buy a lot on eBay, but I just always go with Amazon now. Where the lights are. Oh, okay, yeah, so just one light.
It is pretty big. But it's like caving in and it's taking my space.
Yeah, no kidding.
Freaking
And he's making good money.
Look at that.
But I think you have to really work it, you know? Is it better? Maybe it is.
Don't hurt yourself.
The thing was that this, it backs up to a whole bunch of smaller units.
Yeah.
And you never know what people are going to bring in,
That's true.
even though they're not supposed to. This one has electricity too.
Oh, this one's way more. So this is 10 by 20, right?
10 to 20. The other thing I've learned, like over in the St. John's facility, we did have a mouse problem in certain parts of the building. You could smell them. I got to
Yeah.
where I could smell them, you know. But we got rid of them.
I see.
And the problem was people bringing food in.
Yeah. It's always the problem when, people bring food in. So guess what? I'm storage unit hunting, like I said. And there's good news and bad news. This place right here, what is it called? Northwest Self-Storage. Let's see what I got. Let's see what they got me. They got me at, for a 10 by 30, they got it at $228 a month, right? Let me plug this puppy in. But the other place right next door, they want like $223 a month. But first month is half off. In here she broke it down what the sales are. First month 132, then 162, and then the price goes up. That other place is a little bit, it's public storage, it's cleaner. Like you go in and it just smells like a new house. And everything's boarded. You go in this place and there's a bunch of like oil stains, and I look closer and there's like rat shit everywhere. And I'm like, I sell on eBay and I don't want my stuff to be pissed on or shit on. And you heard the lady in there. I mean, come on. Like, if this place has rats, I don't want it for free. It's one of those things. And are you feeling me? If there's rats in there, I don't freaking want it. Like, this is like the worst nightmare as a human being living with rats. This is not New York, people, right here. This is Portland. We don't live with rats. We live with the rain. Look at that. What's up? Look at this nasty rain. So, Northwest Self-Storage. They even give you a free rat-infested truck to move in. How about them pancakes? How about them pancakes? All right, but public storage. The unit looked really clean. and it's like right there in front. I got wet just walking around. That unit is like right there in front. It's a little bit more expensive. Probably no rats. Probably less tweakers. What do you think? What do you think? Should I save some money and like every time I send out an item I'll sniff it if there's no piss, or shake up the rat shit, or what do you think? What do you think I should do? And one of the places was like leaking in there. Come on! What's going on? I mean, I like the prices. Like, I really like the prices. But it's only first 3 months. Whoa. There's some homeless people arguing. It was just weird. So I'm driving and I see a bunch of crap on the road. And there's a lady going through her car. I don't know what's going on. Let's see what she's up to. Let's get back. Alright. Maybe she's picking up trash or something. I don't know what's going on.